If you are a young guy doing well for yourself, I need you to watch this video and be very, very careful. Because your enemy is always waiting for an opportunity to pounce on you and destroy you. And again, if you are living among superstitious people, do your very best to leave that environment. But if you can't leave, do your best to educate and enlighten them to abandon their superstitious belief. Look at what superstition has caused to this building and this entire compound. Let me show you something. Show them. Now I see the level of destruction. Show the other side. Show them. Papa, we have seen the level of destruction melted upon your house. So can you tell us what happened? What exactly happened to this house? No, you're body up.
On the Mulemuke, you say Mulemuke. How could you? No, so you have the maybe 20,000.
Oh, you have been about
20,000. 20,000.
Makango the point.
Last than one.
Okay, Manalong way. La Hashla, even he could love and go marry. Oh, you cable like I want.
I got you table and you keep even in it. You to the jail, guys, more than you quick and more. I
will even know up.
Oh, get him.
Okay, head to reason.
Oh, joke. And to him, you do chill at Nickham. That's what Nickham. Even I want to mamma, we kill a mom, you started teacher woman, kill a mock member. Now, would you put on man now? I'm telling you.
All right, so where hammer or even him marathon, Lao, I can't out, Jaleka, away boom. They have a body made by Saturday Hammer, Livel Hammer, or Lola.
If I go, if I remember, I had both the moody by Chibico to Camarga, she agrees. I should do the finding. I thought that I can't want to even I had that.
Yeah, but I can't want to.
I can't want to tell I had the women in the I can't come very, very clean. I shall have one mother. No more she on one.
Okay. Okay. Never even had to remember Lola him.
I died. You leave up I see him and I him, my blue. I shall not have a clean this our compound. Because he did to be that boy, let me view where he would do when I had him. You know, my head to her career. Let me be even in a day. Now I'll be out of Patanga more. If I need a courier, because okay, you
about maybe block or that this year.
Level, I didn't wear this again. Change it. One week, him delivered last year, January 7th. 1 week in Lagos. Half a family like so, this time you are men. I should enjoy the party, birthday party la. Cable friends, but witness, yes, la. Honey never la. The table had this side, table had this side. So, hey, very bold in a birthday. That was very bad. That is best from both down. Barbara. On that day, that night. Following morning. Ndị a chiri the koekwe n'isi ụtụtụ koekwe buru dudududu si ebe a that point likwe ka ebe ebe a ha ụlọ na-achọ bụ ka ekwu na ka ekwu na ha si na ekwufe ebe a ọ mama na nwe
ebubo ha eboro nwa ọbụla nwa ji ọgwụ gbuo
I want even quarter the high on one one.
Okay.
No one one. Those are the one may go one. For that, after the video, even in the more what if one who can have.
Even now, what to be able to have Bugolo, mother.
Oh, you.
Hedge may be able. Oh, you. Malube, Hedge on your cable, Tofta Nishi, being what I can love mobile,
Lord, actually, I can want to tell no one will be one me like you when you keep even in
I've had a good weapon. I'll be a dishing go like
I don't see number one who gave me. Name go down. Look, Fred, Thursday, I be calling it to you.
I will have revenge because you may video. Can work on the social media. The event he posted on social media. Life and you could Benson, Mary, lock where you lock where you go. I buy the bay may video.
Maintain they mention me very
in my next video, I'm going to tell you people what actually happened in that video. And I'm going to tell you people why you should always avoid superstitious people. But if you can't avoid them, you have to do your best to educate and enlighten them. Because if you remain among superstitious people, they pose a serious threat to your life and to your properties. I always tell you in my videos that it is very, very dangerous for you to live among superstitious people. Let me give you an example. If you live among people who believe that juju can be used to kill somebody, those kind of people may not really use the juju to kill you because they believe in it. But if you ever find yourself in a situation where people are accusing you of using juju to kill a particular person, those kind of people, because they already believe that such thing is possible, will not think it twice before they will believe that rumor against you. And they may even join forces to destroy you and destroy your properties as a result. Yes, because all a superstitious man knows is burn the witch, burn the witch. No, they don't know about investigate the witch, investigate the witch. Because if somebody does not believe that juju can be used to kill another human being, and you are telling that person that so person used juju to kill his brother, that person will say no. Let us investigate the cause of the real cause, the medical cause, or the natural cause. When I was living in Enugu around 2016 in a Face Me I Face You compound, one day my light was disconnected because I couldn't meet up with NEPA payment. So the caretaker disconnected my light and took the wire with him, pending when I will pay for reconnection. So when I finally made the money, I went to give it to the caretaker and collect back my wire to reconnect my light. But he was not around. I found his wife. His wife gave me that wire and took the money. Later on, his wife approached me again, telling me that her husband said that the money was not enough. I should return that wire to her. I told her I would never return the wire. So that led to a very heated argument. We started exchanging words. So the woman was insisting that I must return that wire to her until her husband returns back. But I already fixed my wire. I was about to fix it. Yes, I was about to fix the wire to reconnect my light. So it reached a point where I told that woman, even if person die, I'm not going to give you this wire. Mark my word though. You see what I talk about? Even if person die, I not go give you wire. Now swear word. Now I swear. I don't talk say I go kill somebody. I talk say even if person die, just like you go just talk say even if heaven fall, whatever I like make it happen. I no go do this thing. Now so I take swear. I talk even if person die, I no go give you this wire. Now what I talk oh. All right. As the argument end, I no give him that wire. So you know reach like 2 weeks. After I don't travel, I travel go Anambra State. Stay for that Anambra State around a weekend day. You know, reach 2 weeks. They come call me and say that woman don't die. So as that woman die, everybody around that environment, come the rumor say I make it the woman. Say I talk say I go kill him and I don't do him and I juju I carry do him. Because already I be traditionalist by then. Everybody for that compound know say I'm a traditionalist. I know they go church. Even self, that woman plus another woman for that compound, sometimes because of me, they go carry their pastor, come do crusade inside the compound because they believe say they want destroy witch. They see me as witch as of that time. So when that thing happened, all finger for that one day, they were pointing at me, saying I make it the woman. Me we no sabi anything, no. Shabi, you hear what I talk that day? I talk, even if person die, I'm not going to give you this wire. Now I swear. That is not the same as saying I go kill you. But up to today, people around that place still believe saying I make by that woman. As that thing started to happen, people they rumor saying I make a person for that one day. Now so I can't leave the compound run. Come out. May I know there for my house Sunday. person go enter there, saying one can revenge death, wound me or even kill me there. That's why I pack come out from the compound. But it hasn't ended. It never end. Because it's about 8 years now. And the children of this woman are already grown-ups. I don't know them. But they may know me because I'm a popular person on social media. People, they see my face. Not be 200,000 followers, I guess so. I don't know even who they for that 200,000. The children of this woman feel they follow me for social media. No. And for their mind, they go to see me as person who by their mama. And if they ever see the opportunity to revenge on me, they go do them, thinking say they want revenge. But me, I shock on her. After that woman died, because that woman too, they do church matter. I couldn't investigate. They ask our neighbors, some of our neighbors, waiting cause the death of this woman. Now they begin to explain to me, say, this woman fall sick. As the woman fall sick, instead of them to carry this woman to the hospital, they carry the woman to her pastor, go keep her for church. That pastor, they pray for the woman for 5 days. Imagine say you need medical help. They carry you go keep for church. Instead of giving you drugs and injection, they are giving you prayer. Now for that church, that woman, they die. Nobody want to talk about that one, no. All fingers were pointing at me. Saying I make by the woman. That's why I tell you, say, superstitious people, they only believe in kill the witch, burn the witch. They don't believe in investigate the witch. And this is why you must stay away from their midst or try to educate them if you want to live peaceful with them. Because they are very, very dangerous. Now, am I giving her the full gist about what happened for that video where you just watch? Now, one of my village people, whether they call Ifeanyi Chukwu Benson, and one of him friends, where two of them they do business, get disagreement. Which you know, for this life, as long as you are another human being, they interact. Disagreement is abound. Even father and papa, they disagree. Mama and papa, husband and wife, they disagree. And you know, when man and man, they disagree, now more say person go one chook another person hand for eye. Small threat go exchange because you want me they fear you. So you go talk one thing where you go talk, maybe like say they fear you. Now what thing happen? During the disagreement, person and person exchange threat. But after this exchange, after this disagreement, they later settle. According to the details, they later settle. According to the details, they settle. They settle, say bygone, let bygone be bygone. Yes, but superstitious people, they go agree, they no agree. So after a while, the other boy, go where he go, nobody know what he chop. He return back home, they vomit blood. From vomiting, he come by to the underworld. Now, so superstitious people, instead of them to investigate, waiting by this boy, waiting make they vomit blood, they no want. Remember what I tell you about these people? They believe in burn the witch, but they don't believe in investigate the witch. Now, so they use verse, plus those where they already heard that Ifeanyi Chukwu before. Those where no like the boy, those where they envy the boy's success. All of them join power together. Rush go Ifeanyi Chukwu their papa house, go burn them to pieces. That's that video we just watch now. As they burn and finish, people will get sense, smart people like us, come say, we know the doubt say, no be Ifeanyi Chukwu by this person with juju. We know the doubt, but we still need to investigate. Because we believe in investigation, we don't believe in superstition, we don't believe in sentiments. As everybody talks, say, na Ifeanyi Chukwu use juju by that boy. Now smart people come enter work, go investigate, come find out, say, na medical problem by this boy. Now something else medical by this boy. Now what in this boy ingest by him. Now they don't realize their mistake. But before then, superstitious people don't already go born Ifeanyi Chukwu their papa house. And now they will have to pay the price for superstition. This Ifeanyi Chukwu na guy will be say don't help many of our young boys. Yes, but person fit still they help people, still they buy people at the same time. So I know they talk say because in they help people, no be in do am. I believe in the findings of investigation. According to investigation, we be say na the victim parents carried out by themselves. They discover say no be fine you do am. Say na wetin that boy ingest, na him buy the boy, na him make the boy they vomit blood. You see, See why they tell you, say, superstitious people are dangerous. They may not really harm you directly, but if you ever come under any condition where we say lots of people, they point finger at you, saying I use juju, or I use so spiritual something, do so something. They know they think and trust before they go believe that rumor. Because they're already brainwashed. They don't know about investigation. They don't know about autopsy. They don't know about nothing in their brain. Now superstition full them. Once they mention this person, you juju, they don't agree. You do money ritual, they don't agree. This one disappear, they don't agree. They don't believe in investigation at all. You see them? Now they will have to rebuild that house. Many of them are already in prison. Or heading to prison already. Until they rebuild that house, they will never be set free. Next time they will be smart. Be smart. Don't be superstitious. Let me show you something. Show them. Now I see the level of destruction. Let's go.